Welcome back to the Lone Ranger Radio Show with Bruce Woodburn CrossCountry Mortgage. Yes, I'm the Lone Ranger. If you've got questions for me, you've got a story you want to tell, you want to know about financing, you want to know about the best type of loan for you, you got questions about your credit, about different types of loans. Maybe you're a physician and you are looking for a physician loan. Maybe you're a first-time home buyer. Maybe you want to buy that mansion on the beach. Maybe, you're just looking for a friend, or maybe you're trying to help a loved one get into a property. I'm here to help you. You can reach me. I'm local in Tampa and Orlando and Daytona. I've got 5 branches throughout the state of Florida, and I'm the regional vice president for CrossCountry Mortgage in the Central Florida division. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you. And I'm on the air, and I'm spending time on the air so I can reach out to all my friends, all my listeners, to help guide you in the right direction when it comes to gaining wealth. Now, listen, you know my story. I lost both my parents when I was 15 years old. I was orphaned at 15. I'm a 10th grade dropout. I never went back and finished school. I don't have a college degree. I don't have a high school degree. Actually, I do. I have a PhD. I have to tell you about. I have to sneak that one in. I have a PhD. I have a public high school diploma, but it's not the real one. It's the equivalency to one. So it's the public high school diploma equivalency. So that I got, but I never went back and finished high school. I don't have a finance degree. Okay. But I can tell you one thing. I'm very good at helping people with money. I know money. I study money every day. I study the market. I study the stock market. I understand it. I used to trade options. I understand how to do it. But mostly, I like to keep things simple. And the simplest way I ever found to make money was in real estate. And you don't have to be a flipper and have all that stress and hope you bought right and sold right and things didn't cost you more than you thought it was going to be. Just buy homes, live in them, keep them for a couple of years, rent that one, buy another one. Rinse, repeat 5 times. I'll show you how you can have all 5 properties free and clear, 20-year period of time, all free and clear. So you want to start in your 20s? I'll show you how to buy 5 homes. You will retire as a multimillionaire when you retire. Now, if you stick with my program and you want to double it up or triple it up, like some of my folks have, like Deb did, and Rich and Ruby, that have just amassed millions of dollars in real estate through my Leapfrog program, then that's fine. I'll help you with that. But if you want to keep it simple, not have to be a major property manager, just 5 properties, man, I'm going to tell you something. My real estate has made me a ton of money, and it can make you a ton of money too. And it's not hard to be a landlord. It's not. Call me now at 813-213-4009 or 407-706-3313, or get your application started now at webringyouhome.com. I'll be calling you on Monday. My team will call you on Monday. We'll get all your docs together, get you fully pre-approved so you can go and start your journey to home ownership and wealth. I'll help you with that. You don't pay me anything for it. You don't pay me for the advice. It's free advice. It's for me to help you have a better life. Now, listen, I'm really busy these days. Business has picked up. Even with rates being up a little bit, business is crazy big right now. People are buying. But I got 2 announcements, so you don't turn the channel. Don't shut me off. Don't run into the store until I finish this. First things first, I need your help. Anyone you know that's a loan officer, preferably bilingual, but doesn't have to be, at least 2 years in the industry, looking for a better opportunity, looking for branch opportunities, looking for loan officer opportunities, looking to be on a team, looking to have a better business model, then you have them call me. I'm the Lone Ranger, and I've got great employees that stay with me for years, 20 years. So listen, I'm looking to hire loan officers, bilingual preferably, energetic people, hardworking people, people that are very, very motivated to make a great living and help a lot of people, help a lot of my clients. Call me now at 407-706-3313 or 813-213-4009. And if you're looking for new construction, I'm always available to help you. I got builders throughout the state of Florida. You want to build your own home? I can help you build your own home. You want to buy a lot? I can help you get the lot. You want a real estate agent? Talk to me about my Loan Arranger real estate rebate program. Listen to this. You guys are terrible about picking your real estate agents. I'm just going to tell you, you're not good at it. Why do I know that? Because I'm doing your loans and I'm watching your realtors. And I'm telling you, 9 of 10 of them aren't worth hiring. But you hired them because you liked them, because they're nice. They're nice people. They're good people. They're not bad people. They're just not great real estate agents. What is a great real estate agent? Well, communication is a necessity. But you know what I'm looking for? I'm looking for a great negotiator. I want somebody that's going to fight for my money the way I fight for my money. Your money's hard earned. Don't you want somebody fighting for it? Not just telling you what you want to hear, but getting the most for your home and then negotiating the best price on the one you want to buy. I'll connect you with a real estate agent. That real estate agent will be top notch, guaranteed. I will not refer you to somebody that pays me to refer them. They don't pay me 1 red cent, but they do pay you. They're going to pay you 25% of the buy side commission that you get back to use towards closing costs. So you get a great realtor. You don't have to screw around with a family member or a friend that you're going to hate after they screw everything up for you. You're going to get a great realtor and they're going to give you money back. Loan Arranger real estate rebate program. You just asked me about it. Now, I want to switch gears real quick and talk to you about anyone that bought between March of 2022 and May of 2024. Okay. So 2-year plus span. That's when rates were the highest. Now, a lot of folks have been waiting for President Trump to get in for rates to drop so they could refinance. But since the Fed has cut the first Fed cut, rates have gotten worse, not better on mortgages. Why? Because when the economy gets stimulated, money flows into the stock market, sucks the energy out of the bond market, and mortgages are tied to bonds, not to the Fed rate. So that's why interest rates have deteriorated. What's it going to take to get better interest rates? Drill, baby, drill. That's what's going to get better interest rates. So if you voted for President Trump, and if you didn't, that's fine. That's fine. He won anyway, but he's going to help you. It doesn't matter whether you voted for him or not. He's going to make this economy much better than it has been, but it's going to take time, because even if he opens up the drilling on day 1 in January, it's going to take a year or so to get them back up and running. So it may take time for energy costs to start coming down and for inflation to come down. So all the folks that were looking to refinance, I'm telling you, don't refinance. Don't let Veterans United or USAA or any of these solicitation calls that you get in the mail or by phone. Don't fall for it. They're just predatory. The Loan Arranger is the only lender out there that's going to tell you don't do a loan right now. Like that, it's counterintuitive to my living, wouldn't you say? So why would I say that? Why? Because I need to make sure that my listeners and my customers trust me. That's all I've got is your trust. I got to know that you trust me. So if I told you to refi right now, I'd be doing you a disservice. Now, there is a segment of the market. I'm going to digress from that for 1 second. There's a segment of the market that if you have overspent, you don't have any money left at the end of the month, but you're sitting on a pile of equity and you've got a bunch of debt that needs to be consolidated, then that is the only person that I want to talk to about refinancing. Do not make one late payment on anything, not one late payment, because as soon as you do, you're going to eliminate you refinancing, and then you're going to be in a world of hurt. Don't do that. I'm seeing that happening to people right now. They're like, yeah, I should have called you a couple months ago, and then I was late on my car payment one time. It was only one time, Bruce. It was only one time, but my credit score dropped by 150 points. Now I can't help you. Now I can't help you. So don't wait for that to happen. If you need debt consolidation, you pick up the phone and you call me this exact minute. Write it down. I'll return the call on Monday. You can go to webringyouhome.com and get your application started, but go to 813 call 813-213-4009 or 407-706-3313 or webringyouhome.com. There's my public announcement. Don't refi unless you need debt consolidation. I think waiting. We're going to wait it out. Now, here's what I'm doing. If you have a rate in the 6s, even the high 5s or 7s, I want you to do this. I want you to go to webringyouhome.com. I want you to apply for a refinance, but we're not going to refinance right now. We're just going to get your application made, your pay stubs, your W-2s. I'm going to hold off on ordering an appraisal. I'm going to run the numbers so that you know what interest rate you need rates to drop to in order for it to benefit you from refinancing. So we're going to put the numbers together, and then we're just going to push hold, and we're going to wait for the market. But when that market drops, it doesn't always drop for long. It can be short intervals. So we have to be ready to lock it in. And I can't lock your rate in if your application's not made. I can't lock a rate in for somebody that hasn't applied for a mortgage. So I want you to go to webringyouhome.com, complete the application, and I'm going to put you on a hold list. Okay. And then as soon as they drop, it's going to be bang, bang, bang. We're locking in like crazy, and everybody starts saving money. So listen, I'm the only one that's going to tell you that. Everybody else is going to tell you, oh yeah, I can save you money now. Yeah, of course I can, but I'm not. You can't just turn around and refinance every 3 months. That's ridiculous. It's called churning, and don't do it. And if you're a veteran, you can only do a rate reduction every 241 days. So you do it now, you're going to miss out on the best opportunity. Veterans, don't get hooked on USAA, Veterans United, all those companies that act like they're there for the veteran. They're there for the profits. That's why they're spending millions of dollars a month in advertising. I don't advertise. You don't see any advertisements with me. I'm giving you a public service announcement that I'm paying for to help guide you in the right direction. So I'm the opposite. So don't get caught up in the frenzy. Let the loan arranger help you. I'm here to help you. You'll always get the right information. Okay. So I think interest rates will drop, but it could be 6 months from now. It could be a year. Maybe it'll be right after the election. I don't know. So we're going to hold off. Now, you got a couple of benefits. Fannie Mae Freddie Mac raised their loan limit now to 802. So anything over 802 is jumbo. So you can still get a conforming loan at $802,000. You ever thought of that? I think when I got into this business, it was like $140,000. So it's gone up quite a bit. It went from 766 to 802. Now, FHA just gave us a bump in limit too. They went from 466 to 498. Now, listen, that's really good. That's $500,000 for a 3.5% down loan, and you could have relatively lousy credit scores. How do you like that? You can do it, and you can have high debt ratios. So FHA is absolutely a gift. VA, I've got virtually no limit. You can go no money down up to no limit. I specialize in VA loans. I've been helping veterans my entire career, and it's an honor to help you. So if you're looking to refinance, you're looking to buy, don't refinance for rate reduction right now. Only refinance for debt consolidation if you really need to. And if I think you could wait, I'm going to tell you to wait it out. All right. For those of you that want to buy, and you're worried that you can't qualify for 2 reasons, probably. You don't have enough cash, or you don't have the credit. Okay. Some of you might not have enough income, but most of you it's credit, or you don't have enough cash. So here's what we do. If you want to buy and you think you have credit problems, do not fix it yourself. You call me. We're going to run a soft credit pull. We're going to run an analyzer, and I'm going to give you a game plan, a solid game plan on how to get your credit up, way up. I just got a client up 150 points. Okay. So that's what I'm going to do. If you don't have any cash, I'm going to help you out with some down payment assistance. So ask me about down payment assistance. It's still available just because Hometown Heroes isn't around. I'll be back in 5 minutes with the Loan Arranger radio show. Do not change the channel. Wait for me. I'll be back in 5. Go to the bathroom, grab a drink, come back and listen to me. 813-213-4009 for my Tampa Bay friends, and all the way down to Cape Coral, Orlando, all the way to St. Augustine, 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313, or apply online at webringyouhome.com. Watch me on the YouTube at Bruce Woodburn, the Loan Arranger, or you got Spotify, iHeart